Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you unbind or remove your Google Authenticator from Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add Google Authenticator, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And after that, you will get to see this option of dots into the top left corner. Just simply tap into that, and after that select your profile. Now after selecting your profile into your Bitget, you will get to see this option of security right here. Just simply tap there and select Google Authenticator. And now you will get this option of Unbind Google Authenticator only if you have bind your authenticator with Bitget. Now just simply tap to Unbind Google Authenticator and tap to confirm. Now after doing this, your Google Authenticator, Bitget will send an email and a message into your email and phone number with the verification codes. You just simply have to enter the verification code into this both boxes and your Google Authenticator code into this last box. Just simply paste all those options and tap to confirm. Then your Google verification or the authenticator will successfully be removed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.